Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'll show you how to solve this issue in WAMP server. MSVCR110.dll is missing from your computer. Now how to set this issue? If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's start. I drop the link in the description of the video. Click on the link, this page will open, and download the file according to your need. 64-bit exe for your 64-bit Windows and 86 for your 86-bit Windows. Click on the exe and run the file. I already installed this one only for make video. I delete the DL file, so in my case it take less time as compared to you. Now restart your web server again. Now your web server is live. You can check here. So good luck guys. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below.